welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these simple, very simple combination locks that you can do in your own time, anytime. This build won't take like 5 minutes. It's for redstone noobs. If you're like not really redstone noobs, like if you have no idea what redstone is, probably go checking out my next video. Then what I do is every single redstone component explained in Minecraft. But this video, I'm saying this build is about a 1.5 out of 5. So in star rating of how hard it is, it's very easy to build. So you can see this is our space over here, and it explains how easy it is with just the amount of space that we need. That's mostly for the actual build itself. So as you can see, this is how it works. I'm going to type in 2, 3, wait, no, whoops, 2, 3, 4, 6, and as you can see, this opens up, and we're greeted by a sign saying Newt Newt. So that's basically how it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So over here, what you're going to need is not a sticky piston, redstone repeater. Actually, not going to need a redstone repeater. What am I doing? Redstone, smooth slab, any slab, your optional block, whatever block you're using, a lever, redstone torch, and oak sign. So what you're going to start off by doing is using your optional block to build up 3 layers, 4 layers, but I actually need to take a bit of time so I can't reach 4 layers in this. Wait, can I? I don't know if I can. No, I don't think I can. So I need to go along like that. So as you can see, 4 layers. Now I need to place in my redstone torches. So you can even do like eight like that. You can do that, and it's still really simple. You just need to extend the build out by like 1 more block. That's all you need to do. So now what we're going to need to do is label the numbers. You can do this if you want. I just like to do it so people know where the numbers start and just kneading it up a bit. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is our code at the start. Now we need to do the redstone part. So this is only the area. Technically, we're just doing this in about this much space. This is our theme. We have to do the redstone. It's very easy. That shows how easy it is because we have enough space to build a wall around it too. So now we're going to look where our redstone levers are, and we're going to place blocks where they are. So as you can see down the bottom, so to do the same password as this, you're going to need to put a redstone torch on the 2 and the 3. So I put a redstone torch on the 2 and the 3. So if this is the 2, and there's a redstone torch and 3 behind it, and then I need to do 2, 3, 4, 6. So which one's 4? So I need to go 4, 6. As you can see, that's just how you do it. You can change the code up if you want. Very easy to change the codes. Now what you're going to need to do is go out like that, place a slab. Wait, no. Place a slab there. So now what you're going to do is you're going to simply just join these redstone torches up just like that. Very simple. So now what you're going to need to do is put a block. Wait, done it the wrong way around. Sorry if you've already done this. Sorry guys. So you need to do that there, just like that. And then you're going to need to place another block with like that. So as you can see, got that going down. Oops, I shouldn't broke that, but got that going down just like that. And make sure it fills in the walls and all of that. So we need to put that against the wall like that. So as you can see, all that redstone is connected up, and that's actually all we need. It's all the redstone we need for this. So now what we need to do is let me just check that that's 15. Yeah, that should be good. So now all we need to do is just connect this up to our chosen thing. So I'm just leave a little bit of a gap for our door just here. I'm going to connect to the redstone door. So I just do that. My block there, and we're pretty much actually done. So you can actually see how simple it is. And we just build a wall around it. Just like that. And we have a little bit of a hallway. You can just neaten it up. You can neaten it up in your own time if you want. So as you can see, this door is closed right now, but now if we do a 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, as you can see, this door opens and we can walk straight through into our like secured base or something like that. So as you can see, very simple. One of the simplest combination locks I can even think of. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to be doing heaps more redstone videos and Minecraft videos soon coming up. So I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you did like it. If you did like this video, like it makes common sense. Well, if you watched this far in this video and you've done it, you must have done this yourself if you watched this far in the video. So you might gotta leave a like because this is leave a like for more. Because if you want me to do some more redstone, just leave some comments down below of things that I can teach you how to build. I am quite good at redstone, so you can see 1.5 very easy. You can share this to your friends and all that. So that's basically how you do it. So 2, 3, 4, 6, mess it up, silk, like that. There's like no chance they'll guess it unless they like know the password. There's no chance that they'll guess it. Like if they just know randomly, like they're not gonna get anywhere with opening it. They're not gonna be able to open it. So as you can see, it's not gonna open. Like there's so much combination. Like if you go log into your iPad and you see like 9 letters, there's probably like trillions of combinations you can do for that. This is 6. You can even add 8 onto it to make the combinations even more. But this is like probably about 6,000 around combinations that you can do with this. So very simple but very effective. So guys, if you did like this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe and like for more. So this video does get 6 likes. I'm going to be doing it anyway, but please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.